Hi guys, my name is Diana Kelson and I'm from Bluelily Initiative. I'm currently in Lagos, Nigeria, and I'm spreading awareness and education on global warming. What is global warming? Global warming is actually increasing of temperature in our Earth, and this could be happening due to so many reasons. One of the major reasons is the generating power, electricity, and heat. Most of our companies, we know, in Africa, outside Africa, even in Nigeria and outside everywhere, they're using fossil fuel to make to manufacture goods that we know sometimes we don't even need. But this is also contributing to destroying of the earth. Another thing is cutting down trees. It would contribute to global warming at the same time as wasting of food, wasting of plastic bag, and all these other things that we know that we're wasting sometimes also contribute to global warming. So we have to be very cautious of what we're doing. We have to be very careful on how we do things to also serve the planet, serve the earth. As we all know, we do need the planet to be healthy and good for us to survive and stay in it. And another thing is, a lot of people don't realize is even processed food, processed materials, anything that's been processed, like anything that's unnatural, contribute to global warming. And this is not very good for our earth. As we all know, the earth is losing all its nutrients, and now it's not going to be able to produce more foods. And we're going to have a lot of things that we're going to have to worry about later in future if we're not going to be able to present everything that's happening right now. There are so many ways to prevent it, and I'm going to talk to you guys about a few ways to prevent how to have a better way of living so that we don't have to have this crisis later in future. And this may be you reducing the usage of plastic bags. This might be you being careful on how you want to use your electricity and heat. If you know you don't have to watch TV, for example, if you don't have to use anything that has electricity in your house, you don't have to keep it on. Try to turn it off. At the same time, this could also be as we should plant more trees, as we need more trees to get the air out, to get the oxygen for us breathing and everything else. The effects of global warming are as follows. The higher sea level, because the sea level must increase, and now you're going to ask how the sea level is going to increase. The Atlantic on north and south, the ice is melting, so that's going to make the water become more, and the water is going to come to our land, and that's going to cause people to evacuate. And where are people going to go? Now we're going to have shortage of land. Now we're going to have poverty going on. We're even going to have diseases be going on around, because now the water comes to our earth. We don't know what the water has. We don't know what's going on in the water. So we really have to be careful and to be able to spread around the general education about global warming, as well as our earth, our universe is getting hot as well. We can see how the weather is really changing right now. It's all because of global warming as well. We have to be cautious of the things. So there's a lot of things that are happening and gonna be happening if you don't try to prevent global warming from happening right now. As well as floods. You might be wondering, floods be happening in Nigeria over and over again. It's because of that. So global warming is becoming a major issue in our community, in our environment. So we have to be very careful. It's not just that, animal extinction. Animals could be disappearing after a while, and now we're not going to even have food for those who prefer food as an animal or anything. But hey, we have to be very careful. We have to be cautious, because there's so many effects, so many things can happen to us if we don't try to change it right now. And the change starts from you. The change has to start from home. You're the one who have to change the things from home, and then we can all change things from everywhere else, but it all starts from home. Okay, thank you guys so much for listening. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel, but don't forget to follow us on Instagram and on Twitter, Bluelily Initiative. Thank you again very much. Looking forward to hear from you, and see you soon.